Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this awesome 2016 Cadillac Escalade. This is a premium collection ESV, so it's a long wheelbase, lots of cargo space, lots of passenger space, first class comfort and accommodations. Great for a family, great for someone with lots of friends. Maybe you have a livery business. The Cadillac Escalade is a go-to luxury vehicle for many heads of state, celebrities, rappers, musicians. People love to be chauffeured around in these beautiful, gigantic, full-size luxury SUVs, and the Escalade is considered one of the best in the business. This beautiful example recently came in on trade. Some of our nicest vehicles coming on trade. This one's no exception. Only 67,425 miles at the time of making this video. Actually pretty low mileage for 2016. It is May of 2024. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year, so a lot of these 2016 Escalades are going to have 80, 90, 100,000 miles. So 67,000 miles is really low for this model year, and it's in beautiful shape. You have this beautiful perforated leather interior. The front seats are heated and ventilated. You have leather and stitching all over the place. The center console, the dashboard, awesome. We have a moonroof, of course. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. It's leather wrap. We got wood trim on it. It's heated. This is a four-wheel drive model, so you have this rotary selector to operate the four-wheel drive system. So you have two-wheel drive. You have auto mode for variable conditions, like some mix of like snowy, icy, slushy roads and dry pavement. You can lock it in four-wheel drive high, and of course we have four-wheel drive low. There's a heads-up display. Kind of hard to see on camera, but basically it projects the speed, other information under the windshield, so the less you have to look down off the road to see how fast you're going, the safer it is for you and everyone else. Of course, we have a Bose sound system. Nice suede cloth material too on the door panels. Beautiful color combination of white on black. We have these retractable side steps as well. 22-inch wheel and tire package. 400 horsepower V8. Very similar to what they put in a lot of high performance vehicles as well, like the Corvette and the Camaro. Obviously it's tuned for Escalade duty, not sports car duty, but it sounds awesome. And it's actually pretty quick. I think 0 to 60 is right around 6 seconds, which is pretty amazing for a gigantic vehicle like this. We have the second row captain's chairs. We also have a rear entertainment system. Lots of space in the third row as well. And with the ESV, with the extended wheelbase, you have a lot more usable cargo space. With the regular Cadillac Escalade, the shorter wheelbase one, or the regular wheelbase one, you only have about this much cargo space. So if you're utilizing all third 3 rows of seating, and you're going on a trip with your family, it doesn't leave very much room for cargo. So having the ESV gives you all that more cargo space, and of course, when you fold down the second and third row, it's gigantic. It's like a cargo van. Great for those Costco trips, Home Depot trips, things like that. Underneath this cover here, we have a tow hitch. These things are great at towing, obviously with that big V8 and body on frame truck-based architecture. Well, there you have it, a beautiful example of a low mileage 2016 Escalade premium collection. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.